In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix wrong deposit details in QuickBooks Online. Making sure your deposit details are accurate is essential for maintaining reliable financial records, and QuickBooks Online makes it simple to correct any errors, whether it's a wrong date, incorrect customer name, or a mismatch in the totals. I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure everything is in order. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is click on Accounting in the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This will take you to the area where you can manage your accounts and transactions. Next, open the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll find all the deposits and transactions linked to your bank accounts. Now, locate the deposit you need to fix. If you're having trouble finding it, use the filtering options to narrow down the list by date or amount. This will save you time and help you quickly pinpoint the deposit in question. Before proceeding, make sure you're working within the correct bank account, especially if you manage multiple accounts in QuickBooks Online. Verifying this step helps avoid confusion and ensures you're editing the right deposit. Once you've found the deposit, click on it to expand its details. At this point, you'll see a hyperlink for the deposit. Go ahead and click that link to open the bank deposit form. This form is where you can make all the necessary corrections. First, check the bank account listed at the top of the form. If it's incorrect, select the right account from the drop-down menu. Next, confirm the deposit date. If the date is wrong, update it to reflect the correct date for the transaction. After that, review the payment method and memo fields. Make any adjustments as needed to ensure this information is accurate. These details can often be overlooked but are important for keeping your records clear. Now, take a close look at the payments listed in the deposit. Confirm that all the payments included actually belong in this deposit and that the totals match. If you notice any discrepancies, make the necessary changes to align the figures. Check for any incorrect customer names, categories, or reference details. If you spot any errors, update these fields to reflect the correct information. This step is crucial for maintaining accurate and organized records. When you've finished making all the corrections, click Save at the bottom right of the form to apply your changes. Finally, return to the bank transactions list or run a relevant report to double-check that your updates were applied correctly. This final review step ensures that everything is accurate and that your records are up to date. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.